Hello, and welcome to this ITIL Foundation training course. My name's Matt Trigg, and I'll be leading you through this course. I've got over 30 years IT service management experience, and over 15 years ITIL experience. I deliver over 25 ITIL Foundation training courses every year, and I've helped over 500 students pass the ITIL Foundation examination first time. And my company, Zindiac, currently has a 100% pass rate for ITIL Foundation. I've designed this course to be not just as good as a classroom course, but even better. In this course, I'll teach you everything you need to know in order to take the ITIL examination with confidence and pass first time. This course is suitable for anyone who wants to pass the ITIL Foundation exam. So what are you waiting for? View a preview lecture or jump right in and start with our introduction to ITIL. I know you'll love it, and I'll see you there.